Hi, I'm Haley Flake, and I'm showing how to use StickPick on an iPad. You can download it using the App Store, and it's a good teacher app for classroom management skills. So what it is, it's just like the original sticks that people use to call people's names. So in my classroom, I would use it maybe for doing the daily activity, the morning activities. For example, I would just pick a stick, and then Sarah L is the person that would maybe come up and do the calendar that day. And then I can mark it as used, and it goes in this little thing so that everybody gets to have a turn. So I think that this is a great app because you can use it whenever you need to, and it's just right on your iPad, and there's not a mess of any sticks or anything like that. Hi, my name's Haley Flake, and I am exploring the application of Tangrams. I just downloaded this from the App Store, and it was free. There's one version that's $1.99, but this is the light version that's free. And I think it would be a good app because in the Utah State Core in math in first grade, the standard of reason with shapes and their attributes, and then the subset of that is compose two-dimensional shapes, rectangles, squares, trapezoids, triangles, half circles, and quarter circles, or three-dimensional shapes, cubes, right triangle, right rectangular prisms, right circular cones, and right circular cylinders to create a composite shape and compose new shapes from the composite shapes. So I think this would be a good app for that. So you can see right here that you can buy the full version, but we're just going to do just the free version. So you can just tap on that, and there, as you can see, there are some that you can't do without buying it, but there are some that you can do just for free, such as, for instance, this little rooster. And you just take the different shapes and just pull them into their spots. And especially in the younger grades, as the children are getting to know their shapes better, and also just learning how to manipulate them, that I think that this would be a great app for that. I would use it in my classroom maybe for a fast finisher, or if we had enough iPads, I would use it maybe as a reward system. For example, the table that stays on task during the whole math lesson would be able to maybe do a tangram. So that is the app that I explored, and I think it's a great one. Hi, I'm Haley Flake, and I am exploring the app Puppet Pals on the iPad. I just downloaded it from the App Store, and there are different versions, but this is just the free version, and you can actually do a lot on it. So it's pretty self-explanatory. You press start, and then you can choose the actors that you want to use. And then you can also choose a background. And what this app does is you can just explore different, you can make up different stories. And there are lots of different standards that this can go with on the Utah State Core, but the one that I'm focusing on today is from 2nd grade. It's the Reading Literature Standard 6 that says, acknowledge differences in the points of view of characters, including by speaking in a different voice for each character when reading dialogue aloud. So I could have my students read a story, maybe even based off of the characters from the Puppet Pals, and then they can either work with a partner and do different voices, or they could just do it themselves. So how you do it is you press this record button, and then you just wiggle the person up and down, and then you press stop when you're done, and then you do it for somebody else. So I'm going to show you how to do it. Oh my goodness, I'm so scared to go in this cave. It looks so scary. And then you do it for the next person.
Oh my goodness, this looks so fun. There's probably nuts inside.
And after you do it, then you are able to just watch your video. You can either download it and save it, or you can just watch it. So we're going to watch this. Oh my goodness, I'm so scared to go in this cave. It looks so scary.
Oh my goodness, this looks so fun. There's probably nuts inside.
and that is how you can use Puppet Pals. So yes, like I said, I would just use it to have my students create their own stories, maybe even to bring to life their writer's workshop that they do. Really, this app is very versatile and you can use it for lots of different things.